Go.
Look at me. I never has the perfect bride, or a perfect daughter. Can it be? I'm not meant to play this part. Now I see if I ever truly to be myself, I will break my family's heart. Who is that girl I've seen staring straight back at me? What is my reflection? Don't know. Somehow I cannot hide who I am, but I tried when